This video will guide you through how to generate 3D models in Tripo Studio from text prompts. 1. 2 generation modes. 1 click. Instant fully textured model, ready to use. Build and refine. Start with a base model, edit later. If you choose build and refine, you can select generate in parts before model generation. The resulting model will then automatically have its parts already segmented. 2. Text-to-model generation. In text-to-model section, when you are unsure what to type, you can click the dice icon to automatically generate a random prompt. Enter a descriptive text prompt in the text box. You can click the pen icon to let the AI refine or enhance your input for better results. Optionally enter a negative prompt to exclude undesired features. Choose a pose or T-pose if needed. Click Confirm to generate a preview image based on your input. Use Retry to regenerate if the result isn't ideal. Once the required images are prepared, proceed to the shared generation settings. Optional private. 3. Generate and view your 3D model. After configuration, click the Generate button. The system will generate the model and display it in the central preview window. The model will also appear in the My Assets section on the right for future access or exporting. At the bottom of the workspace, you can take a variety of actions, including switching to wireframe mode or solid mode, adding the model to your favorites, sharing it, and downloading it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.